Good morning, everybody. I am waiting for pictures to come through for one of my new listings off of Chafee. And while I'm waiting and biting my nails and excited about those pictures coming, I thought I would try to set this up to see if I could do a video. So you would crack up if you could see how this is being held. It is inside of a Tupperware container on top of an orange with a book in front of it in order to be able to view. And let's see, I'm hoping you can hear me. Let's see. So today, matter of fact, maybe I should just hold it like this until I'm ready to do the official pour. But today I'm going for a couple of things because these typically don't work out very well. They're kind of hard to do. I'm either going for wings or I'm going for kind of an iceberg-y kind of look. So let's see. Hey, Courtney. Alrighty, so let's see what happens here. Okay, so as you can see, I've got this wing effect here, and you gotta let some of this strip off the bottom, and then you kind of stretch the wings out. So for now, I've got to stop the angle that it's on and then start stretching it. So I will show you what happens in the end. I can't do it with two hands, can't do the video, so we'll see what happens, and I'll show you in a little bit. Bye.